Mega cool, mega fun, mega show. Follow me, I'm your friend, Mega Milo.
Hi, it's me, Mega Milo, and today we're gonna make a fantastic pizza with my best friend,
Mini Milo.
Right on!
Yeah.
This is gonna be a mega pizza. I've got all these amazing toppings and a really mega awesome pizza maker. It's called a pizzazz. We make pizzas all the time.
Yeah.
So, first thing that we need the pizza dough. Mini Milo, do you have the pizza dough?
Yeah.
What is this, Mini Milo?
A cookie dough.
That's funny. We were gonna make a pizza with pizza dough, but you brought cookie dough?
Yeah.
That's mega.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Let's make a pizza out of cookie dough.
Okay.
All right. We gotta flatten it on this first.
Yeah.
Whoa! Mini Milo, did you do this?
Yes.
Wow! You're mega fast. Well, now that we have some pizza dough, aka cookie dough, we need to put some sauce on this. Mini Milo, do you have some sauce?
Yes.
Mini Milo, what's this?
Frosting.
I guess we're not gonna use pizza sauce. We're gonna use rainbow chip frosting.
But at the end, we're gonna use knives to eat it.
Oh man. Well, we're gonna need these knives right now to put some, well, frosting on the pizza. Okay, will you help me, Mini Milo?
Yeah.
Ooh, is it yummy?
Yeah.
All right, let's frost this up. That was so delicious. Do I have some on my face? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that was really, really good frosting. This is gonna be such a mega pizza. Now, we need some toppings on the pizza, Mini Milo.
No.
So, did you bring some toppings with you too?
And now we need one of these. It's called marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Look.
Whoa!
Here.
Usually we put like olives or mushrooms or tomatoes, but we're gonna put marshmallows on this pizza?
Yeah.
Whoa!
After those, we're gonna use sauce.
Wow, well, okay. Let's put some marshmallows on. Will you help me, Mini Milo?
Yeah.
Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Mmm, marshmallows.
Watch this.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Watch.
Nice job. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we need more toppings than just this. What else do you have, Mini Milo?
But now we need one of these. Regulators.
Whoa! Look what Mini Milo brought out. Jelly beans.
Yeah.
Wow, this is getting to be a really mega crazy pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some jelly beans on it.
Hey.
Boop, boop,
What's
boop, boop, boop,
this?
boop, boop. Ooh, is that jelly bean mega-tastic?
Yeah.
And mega delicious?
some.
Ooh, I'm gonna try one. That's a good jelly bean. Wow. Look at this pizza so far. That looks amazing. I've never seen a pizza like this before.
But I know what we need next.
What do we need next?
Oreos.
What? We are gonna put some Oreos on our pizza?
I know.
Wow! Oh man, this is getting crazier and crazier. Okay, let's put some Oreos on it.
Oh.
Boop, boop, boop. Whoa.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Whoa! Let's spread them out, okay?
Whoa.
Wow.
We did all of them.
We got some Oreos
No.
on our pizza. Nice job,
SMG.
Mini Milo.
What do we
Okay.
need next?
I don't know, do you have anything yellow and orange?
And white?
And white? Do you have anything like that, Mini Milo?
It's called candy corn.
What?
No.
Candy corn?
It's the same color that
Wow.
you were talking about.
We've got some candy. He hit it right on the spot. You got orange, yellow, and white candy corn. Let's put them on. Does it taste super duper good,
Yeah.
Mini Milo?
Try some.
Okay. That's good candy corn. Ooh, candy corn. I love candy corn. That was mega tasty. What else are we gonna put on, Mini Milo?
Oh, I know.
What else? Oh, wow. Are these lemonade rings?
Yeah.
I love lemonade rings. These are gonna go perfect with our crazy pizza. Woohoo! All right, let's put these bad boys on. Ooh. Yummy.
Try one.
Oh, I'm gonna try one. Oh, that shower. Woo! Whoa. This is gonna be a mega sweet pizza. Wow! All right, Mini Milo. Now, do you have anything long that we could put on? Let's see what he's got. Whoa! Are these sour worms? Whoa! We're gonna put some sour worms on our pizza. Okay, let's put them on. Oh, yummy! Ooh, is that delicious, Mini Milo?
Try one.
Try one? Ooh, that is sour. Woohoo! Well, what else do you think we should put on this pizza? This delectable, mega tasty pizza.
Okay, get the cheese now.
The cheese now. I don't think cheese is gonna go very well with this pizza. This is the perfect sauce. It's strawberry sauce. Ooh, let's pour it on, Mini Milo.
Okay.
Here we go. Whoa! 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 It's got strawberry sauce all over it. Man, this is gonna be so mega. Wow. Now, I think this might be ready for the oven or the pizzazz. Do you think we should put anything else on it, Mini Milo?
Yeah.
What else? What can we possibly put on our mega awesome sweet pizza? Unicorn rings! Yeah, unicorn rings! That was a mega idea, Mini Milo. Let's put them on.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Ooh, that's
Try one.
tasty. Okay. Ooh. That is super duper tasty. Okay, let's fire up the pizza. Okay, we've got our really sweet, mega tasty pizza going. And it'll probably take about 20 minutes. So let's go and have some fun and play while it cooks. It looks like the pizza's all done, but we're not gonna be able to eat it like a normal pizza. We need spoons. You ready to dig in, Mini Milo?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have some. Whoa! Mmm!
Can you try some?
Yeah! It's like a melted cookie! Wow!
Hot.
Mmm! Oh, is it a little hot still? Whoa! Well, thanks for joining us on making this fantastic mega pizza. If you want to make a mega pizza at home, make sure to take a picture and put it on our Instagram so we can see it too.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah. if you see some more of subscribe, you can see more of our Mega Milos on Kids Grooming Tube.
That's a great idea! See you next time. Goodbye!
Goodbye.
Follow me everywhere.
Click subscribe and follow me on social media so you can come with me on my next mega adventure.
Mega cool, mega fun, mega show. Follow me, I'm your friend, Mega Milo.